If you would like to take a photo in Where Winds Meet, then all you need to do is simply enter photo mode. Now, one of the ways you can enter photo mode is simply by clicking on menu and then look for the camera icon and select it. Once you've done that, you can then customize how your photo is going to be taken. Now you have two levels. You have easy, which simply just allows you to move your character around, make it perform a pose, and simply change the lighting as well as the filters and any other templates that you might want to use. Alternatively, you can also choose to select Pro. Now with Pro, you have more options for you to choose from. So you can change aperture, you can change the weather, the time, all sorts of things. And so once you're happy with how you look like, how your photo is going to look like, all you need to do is simply just go ahead and take your photo. Once you've taken the photo, you can see how it looks like. You can choose to upload it to the gallery. You can choose to place a signpost with this specific image, or you can just choose to save the image to your device. Once you've done that, and you've successfully selected your option, you'll need to give the photo a name and a description. Once you've done that, you can select it's only visible to you, or you can allow the wider world to see it. And once you've done that, simply select publish or save and simply wait. Now you can go ahead and view the image. So it will take you to your gallery and it will allow you to view the image like so. And then once you've successfully viewed the image, you can exit photo mode with the changes being applied to your account. And so that is how you can take a photo in Where Winds Meet. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.